Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Footech 360. TN MRB has just released an update regarding the release of FSO exam results and final answer key. So hope you all have checked your scorecard and final answer key. We have made a separate video explaining about this update. If you haven't seen that yet, go and watch the video, link is in the description. Even though they have given the update regarding the final answer key and scorecard, they didn't give any update regarding the final cutoff marks. So we have created a Google Forms to enter your individual final score. The Google Form is available in the description of this video. You can view the response of all the candidates from the link given in the description. So we will get an idea regarding the cutoff of each category. So once after all the candidates update their score in the forms, we will come back with the expected cutoff, or even you can evaluate by yourself from the response sheet. So kindly share this video maximum to all the candidates appeared for Food Safety Officer exam, then only we will get the clear picture about the cutoff. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Foodtech 360. Thank you.